Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you guys don't fall from this little tripod I created in the car, but I have another mukbang for you guys. This is incredible. So this is from a place called 0 Degrees here in Arizona. I believe they're all over the world, all over the place. They have one in California, they have one in Austin, Texas. They have one pretty much everywhere. So this is what I'm eating today. I'll show you what I have. So popcorn, chicken, honey barbecue, and then I also ordered hot Cheeto cheese fries. And I also have ranch on the side, and I also ordered a strawberry lemonade. I am trying to step up my mukbang game because there's so many places out here that are very bomb and they have the good food aesthetics, especially for Instagram. If you're an Instagrammer and you like to take pictures of like food and stuff, this is freaking amazing. And look, this comes out like this, and either you can drink it from there or you can do the straw, which that's what I'm gonna do. A little too sweet for my liking, but I'm still gonna drink it. We're just gonna eat and chit chat and let you guys know what I think about this place. They do not know that I'm doing this, so I am going to be giving my honest opinion on this food. Obviously I do not eat like this all the time. I love food. I've not done mukbang consistently until right now because I just got out of the gym. What you guys been up to? I'm gonna open my ranch little thing. She gave me 2 forks. She thought I was gonna eat this with somebody else, and bitch, I'm about to eat this by myself. Okay, so let's eat the fries. So the fries have like, have you had hot Cheetos? Oh my god, this looks freaking incredible. I am so ready to try this out and see what the hype is all about. This is really good. Not too bad, you guys. I'm definitely gonna come back because I was looking at their menu while I was waiting for my food, and they have some other stuff that I didn't even look, but I just look at the chicken section, and I'm a big chicken fan. And I didn't want chicken wings because it was gonna get all over the place. I'm very messy. This is so good. It is really good. If you love hot Cheetos, I haven't had hot Cheetos in a long time. This is really good. They even have milkshakes. I was like, what the fuck? Let's try the popcorn chicken because it looks like really good. So good. It's so good. It's like literally popcorn chicken. And I have ranch. Look at all this popcorn chicken. It's a lot. This is definitely not only for yourself. This is like, it's like over 2,000 calories right here. Plus including the drink, I would say another like 200 or 150. That's a lot for me, but it's okay. We only do this once. I don't eat like this all the time. This is so good. Oh my god. Bomb. This is fire. If you have a 0 degrees anywhere around your area, definitely give this place a try. I posted a picture on Instagram. Everybody was like, I don't know what the fuck is in those fries, but it looks so good. People are so funny. It's hot Cheetos. So yeah, you guys, what you guys been up to? Like honestly, I woke up today, I prayed, I listened to a motivational speech from Eric Thomas. I folded my laundry. What else did I do? I got ready, went to the gym, had breakfast. I never have breakfast in the mornings, never, but I've been having a very unhealthy diet, and yesterday I only ate 1 meal and then I was starving. Like, I've been starving myself. I should have never be doing that, but I decided to start eating in the mornings. This is so good. Guys, Oh my god. You guys are definitely missing out. Ooh, spicy. Now, if you guys don't like spicy stuff, you might not like the hot Cheeto fries, but this is really good. I'm just saying, you have to try it. This is so good, especially the chicken. That's a lot of popcorn chicken too. For $9.99. This whole tray for $9.99. And then the drink plus taxes, it came up to like $13, which that's not bad at all. That's not bad. But then again, like, I don't eat like this all the time, so like I'm enjoying it today. So good. Oh my god, people are like, what the fuck is that? I've never been to the store. It's called Bob's Discount Furniture. I don't get out much, so I don't know. This is my lunch. It's already noon. Guys, so today is a Sunday. I'm just getting ready for a new week. I set new goals for this week. Also, this week is going to be so busy because I have the Black Friday sale going on the website starting tomorrow. So it's gonna be really busy. This is so good. Okay, so I give this place a 7 out of 10. It's really good. Don't get me wrong, it's really good. I just haven't tried everything. So good. The strawberry lemonade is just too sweet for me. I don't like a lot of sweet stuff, but nonetheless it's really good. Now, if you don't like spicy stuff, I don't know if I said that, but if you don't like spicy stuff, just get the regular ones. Cheese fries, whatever. They have regular fries, canyon fries, hot Cheeto fries, all types of stuff. It's spicy though. Whew! They even have the elote hot Cheetos. Guys, I love elotes. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's a Mexican inspired corn on a cob. I love elote. Oh my god, it's so good. I haven't had one in so long, but hot Cheeto one, whew, my mouth will be on fire. They have a lot of stuff on their menu. I'll leave their link in their menu in the description box so you guys can check them out. Guys, also, I feel like not a lot of people do this, but don't forget to thank God for another day. You woke up, you have a roof over your head, you have clean water, you have food in the fridge. Just be thankful for the littlest things, okay? What have you guys been up to? Let me know down below. I don't know what else to talk about because I feel like you guys know everything about me already. Oh, if you're new, if you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. I'm a daily vlogger. I'm a mom. I do mukbangs from here and there. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Be part of our family. My mouth is on fire. Okay, you guys, this is pretty much it. This is all I'm gonna eat today. I'm not gonna eat anymore. My mouth is on fire right now. It's really good nonetheless, so this video is really long already. Overall, I love this place. I cannot wait to try some of their other items on their menu. If you have a suggestion for another mukbang, or if you want me to try a place that you've been wanting to try but you don't have the courage to do so, leave it in the comments below because I would go out there and try it for you guys, okay? Also, if you know of some other place that I should try out here in Arizona, also leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.